Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make a Roblox Gamepass. So first, open up your Roblox on your web browser and then go here on the home page. You need to make sure that you sign in your account. Then click on this create button at the top. And once you create this one, you will go here on this page. Now from here, all you need to do is go to the experience and click on the three dots right here and then click on create badge. Now once you click this one, you'll go here on this page. Now from here, go on the left side and click this associated items. And from here, go to passes. And here on passes, as you can see, I have one pass. But for the sample, I just want to create a pass. And from here, all you need to do is just to click this change to upload the image for this Game Pass. And now from here, you can change the name if you want. For example, I want to delete this one and change it for a new name. For example, I want to put here sample pass. And here on the description, it is actually an optional. So once you've done right here, you need to click this create pass. Then once you create this pass right here, you can now go right here on this pass and go and click this one. And from here, you want to go on sales at the left side of your screen. Then toggle on this item for sale and you can put the price in Robux. So as you can see, creator earnings is 70%. Now, once you've done, click on Save Changes. So that's how you basically make a Game Pass on Roblox. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.